Hello everyone and welcome to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec, on Friday the 25th of October. Now we've got a little bit of a consolidation across major markets today. Nothing too significant in terms of direction really across major forex. You've got a little tiny bit of direction on Aussie dollar positive, bit of tiny direction on Kiwi dollar negative. But broadly speaking, markets are seemingly in a bit of a consolidation mode. You've got gold basically flat, equity markets flat. Wall Street was pretty much a little bit mixed. Shade higher on S&P 500, Dow Jones down, futures a touch higher. But to be honest, there's little real direction of note. And what you have is markets sort of biding their time really. You've got the Fed meeting next week. That is certainly going to be a key factor that markets will be looking towards, but also little lack of real sort of news flow surrounding the trade dispute now. And also add into the mix, you've got Brexit uncertainty. How the UK political situation is resolved is going to be a key factor again for market risk appetite at the moment. Stalemate in UK Parliament. Boris Johnson, UK Prime Minister, is going to push for a general election. Whether he gets it granted or not, whether the opposition agree to his wishes, are going to be another matter. And we're likely to see the EU decision on the extension of Article 50 and the Brexit date. And that's likely to be after Parliament votes on whether a general election is happening. So it's very much all up in the air, and subsequently we're seeing little real direction as a result. So you can see that also through Treasury yields. So this consolidation I was talking about earlier, Treasury yields basically going sideways on 10-year and 2-year now, so it's not really helping much direction. A little bit of a mixed outlook for the dollar. A little rebound yesterday, but is it a rebound that is going to get traction? It's not especially convincing at the moment. So yeah, we are still looking for direction, but we do have a little bit of euro strength today, and that is being helped by the German IFO data that's come out this morning. German IFO was a tick higher, 91, sorry, on the business climate, 94.6 was actually in line with where it was last month, but better than the expectation. And you can see here through the chart that it's basically gone nowhere for the last couple of months. So no real sign of any recovery in the IFO, I might add. Little tick higher in expectations, but lower again on current conditions. So yeah, all in all, pretty much not really doing a great deal to suggest a recovery is on the way, and that's. But a little bit of expectation, better than expectations, has helped euros a tick or so higher today. Now later on this afternoon we have the Michigan sentiment data as well expected, and that's the final reading. And that's expected to be unrevised at 96 this afternoon. Right, that takes me on to my chart of the day, which is Euro Yen. Now, what we have seen in recent weeks is a really strong move, actually, above 120 big figure on Euro Yen, but a move that has subsequently tailed back from 120, 130, that resistance overhead. It's been a basis throughout this week. A little bit of a suggestion that I think corrections are a chance to buy still, though, because you look at these momentum indicators. RSI went above 70. Now I've got to take this one all the way back, because that actually went to the highest since 2017 on that RSI move. MACD lines also multi-month highest, back to basically about a year highest level on the MACD. So it's more of a strengthening and a strong configuration on momentum now. So that would suggest a little bit of a corrective move is a chance to buy. And I think that what we're going to see is that any sort of move back towards 120 big figure, which is a basis of support now, is a buying opportunity. Let's just zoom in here. You can see that the 21 and 55-day moving averages have both turned up. That is an encouraging sign as well of a continued recovery, and a move back towards those again would be a buying opportunity. I'm not suggesting that they're going to get back towards the 55 at the moment, but it could still contain a move back towards that 55-day moving average and still be fairly positive in terms of recovery on a medium-term basis. Near-term basis, you want to be holding the support around 120 big figure. You lose 120 big figure, you're sort of looking back towards that moving average, I think. But the importance of that breakout at 120 big figure, I think, is now a key support area for what looks to be this recovery phase. Now, back above 121.30 would be the key breakout on the upside, and that would really generate some upside positive momentum. But certainly this little slip back, I think, could well produce a little chance to buy. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, and also go to our website where you can sign up for our webinars.